Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women earring designs, different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive, most amazing and most stylish collection of crochet women earring designs. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always stylish, so I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designer as you can order and get an amazing crochet material like this crochet woman earring designs and other jewelry like crochet necklace designs, crochet bracelet, finger rings also, and feet jewelry like crochet anklet designs, baby anklet designs, many more things like crochet baby frog designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, baby sandal designs, and baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, full sleeve dresses, half sleeve, sleeveless, quarter sleeve, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, bodycon, long dresses, short dresses, skirt designs, crochet women poncho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circle jacket designs, open jacket designs, and sweater designs, crochet bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, curtain designs, sofa cover designs, and many more things. So, dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So, dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.